It's pickup day at Dune Sport, and we have a 29-foot DW5FF model to show you, built and designed to haul a two-seater RZR. This one's outfitted in our light gray smooth fiberglass, and it has Bob Moses ceramic coating to give it that extra shine. Two 7,000-pound axles with your road armor, shock-absorbing equalizers, Gen Y gooseneck hitch. It has a huge 5,500-watt generator. It does have two air conditioners. It has a Bigfoot auto leveling system here. It's a 4-point system, a lithium battery here in this storage compartment. And we have tall pass-through storage here underneath this bathroom. Look at all that space. We've got 100 gallons of fresh, 50 gray and 50 black, a tornado tank rinser, a tankless water heater, an exterior shower, a fuel pump station here that's 30 gallons. It's a shared tank that also feeds the generator. You've got a ladder here to climb to the roof. It's outfitted with the new Lippert 3000 series patio kit and paired with a Cross Breeze sports screen that goes up in a roller. It's got a Ford integrated backup camera that wires right into the truck's monitor. Check out the screen wall. You just tug it and it rolls up into the cassette. You got dual Happy Jack beds in the back here. You got a queen bed above. You got opposing sofas below with your portable table. With the top bunk pinned up and out of the way, you have plenty of room, plenty of headroom. With the screen wall open, this trailer becomes much longer. We have a variety of tie-down options. This one here has the E-Track. 3 strips all the way through the cargo. An overhead cabinet here on this passenger side with a bigger bay window. A modular kitchen. So this is a post-mount table. It gives you that U-shaped kitchen. That's a flip-up counter there. And then you have Corian counter here with your undermount single basin sink. Check out how close this Corian and Formica counter match each other. So tankless water heater, heated tanks with wrapped pipes, battery tank monitor, full depth drawers in this base cabinet. You got a microwave here above, 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge freezer. This trailer has about 13 foot 8 inches from the ramp door to this kitchen. We've got a fantastic fan here in the ceiling to move air. All right, let's take you to the bedroom. You have your queen household size 80 by 60 inches full walk around bed. You got plenty of storage here underneath this bed. Your generator start and stop is here. We've got nightstands on each end here with wardrobes above, day-night shades here in the bedroom, an air conditioner here, and an added wardrobe here at the foot of the bed. Moving on to the bathroom, we have our residential 4x3 shower stall here, an overhead cabinet, an elongated Dometic 320 toilet, and a good size vanity here with your undermount single basin sink. So good amount of storage, good amount of counter space for those trips to the dunes. This trailer's got the puck lights upgraded throughout. This window here is upgraded with a see-through window with a thin shade. Lots of goodies in this trailer. You've got a 21-foot awning here. You have 17.5-inch wheels with H-rated 16-ply tires. This trailer's got all the good stuff. Weighing in around 9,000 pounds dry, 2,000-pound pin weight. This trailer's ready to go, heading back to Vista, California. Just another satisfied customer. Contact us anytime with questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.